General practice was that one used to be elevated gradually from ignorance and passion to goodness. Coming to the goodness meant coming to the Brahminical platform. And then transcending the Brahminical platform, one used to come to the platform of pure devotional service. But the pure devotional service again is a matter of the mercy of a devotee. So somebody could become, although he did not gradually elevate it, but he could become a pure devotee of the Lord by the mercy of a devotee. Like we have seen the case of Mrigari, the hunter. He was a hunter. He came across Narad Muni, and by the mercy of Narad Muni, he became a devotee. We also have seen the case of Dhruva Maharaj. He was not born in a Brahmana family. He was actually a Kshatriya. But by the mercy of Narad Muni again, he became a pure devotee of the Lord. And in the previous verse, there was another very wonderful incident have been mentioned, and an indication has been given of another one very wonderful incident, that is of Gajendra, the elephant, king of elephant. The elephant king, the king of elephant, Gajendra, was actually cursed. In his previous life, he was a king, and he was cursed by a sage, and as a result of that, he became an elephant. And then one day, while he was sporting with his mates, associates, the other elephants, in a lake, and in the lake there was a crocodile, and the crocodile actually grabbed the elephant by his feet, and they fought for a long time. And elephant, although very powerful, started to lose his strength because the fight was taking place in water. And in water, the crocodile was stronger. So ultimately the elephant became drained out of his energy. And when he realized that now he is going to die, he started to offer prayers to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He picked up a lotus with his trunk, offering that lotus to the Lord. He started to offer the prayers to the Lord. And immediately the Lord came. And with his chakra, he cut the head of the crocodile and rescued Gajendra. Now, what to speak of a Chandala? Even an animal can become a devotee of the Lord. And when one becomes a devotee of the Lord, then he is situated in a transcendental platform. Transcendental means beyond this material nature, beyond the mode of goodness. So the Brahmanas are situated in the mode of goodness, but a devotee is situated in the mode of pure goodness. Therefore, a devotee's situation is higher than a Brahmana, and anybody can become a devotee. It is just a matter of reawakening his relationship with the Supreme Personality of Godhead.